least 25 people have died as wildfires continue to devastate Los Angeles, California. Since breaking out on January 7, the Palisades and Eaton fires have destroyed or damaged over 12,300 structures. Around 88,000 residents are still under mandatory evacuation orders. Meanwhile, more than 77,000 households are without electricity as utilities shut off power to prevent their lines from sparking new fires.
O kanina, di ba, we were watching a video here na pinapakita yung ibang mga areas dyan sa LA, sa Palisades, kung saan nangyayari nga yung wildfire. Nako-cover yung mga hillside and yung other houses there ng pink substance. Yung pink substance na pala yun ay it's called Phosgene. Ito ay isang fire retardant, no? Para daw makaiwas ulit ng pag-spread pa ng fire. So they're doing that yung sa US since 1960. So pinapalibutan nila ng mga pink substance yung mga areas doon ngayon. So if you will see it, it's there.
Those are they really don't kill the actual main wildfire pag malakas siya. No, but it's meant to be a containment foam.
Yes.
In other words, imamark mo yung area kung hanggang saan mo gusto ko i-contain yung fire. And then they use another substance to kill the actual fire. So kumbaga, parang minamark ng...
ito daw to slow down the
minamark niya. Retardant
spread.
kasi ito eh. Minamark ng yung county fire stations yung area kung saan hanggang saan gusto nila mag-stop yung fire, and then they will contain it with water also.
Kasi hindi naman lahat nagkakaroon kaagad ng access ng water doon sa area.
Wala, mahina
so maganda yung
pressure ng water,
malagyan ng yung pink substance na yun daw to slow nga daw the spread of the fire. So we have also Filipinos affected by this fire. Sabi nila mga 200
wala
yung
naman.
mga counted na Filipinos
Actually,
affected
regardless
by
of
this.
race,
Of course.
regardless of
Pero
race,
kasi,
talagang walang pinili tong fire. Lahat, everybody, rich, poor, di ba?
Totoo yan. Kaya nga, pero kasi yung iba daw kasi ata doon ay undocumented. Kaya sinasabi na, huwag kayong mag-alala. If you need anything, tutulungan naman kayo. No questions asked. No, you don't have to tell them na undocumented kayo or ganito, ganyan. So, basta tutulungan
Dami
kayo.
na shock kasi yung Palisades area and the Altadena area. Rich area yan eh. They're mostly nakatira dyan mga upper class, middle to upper class of Southern California. Kaya nga sabi nga nila when you hear their interviews and celebrities, parang at this point in time, walang rich, walang poor, walang celebrity, patas-patas sila. Nakikita nila ang equality.
Yung iba doon have lived in that neighborhood mga 30 years kasi umiiyak talaga sila kasi lahat ng mga investments nila nandoon, all the memories with the family.
Pati mga restaurants na meron sila, shops.
You will see also some reports that people will go there, yung mga may-ari ng bahay. Tapos talagang tinitignan nila kung baka merong natira doon na hindi nasunog.
Meron na feature doon yung Bunny Museum na pagmamay-ari ng dalawang couple ng mag-asawa. Lahat ng collection nila about rabbits and bunnies nandun. Nasunog lahat. Collection nila yan mula daw when they started dating, when they got married.
Wala na.
Tapos napansin nila malaki yung collection. Nagtayo sila ng museum na sumikat sa Southern California area. Pero nasunog halos lahat.
Wala
Konti
talaga.
na lang daw na salba nila sa collection nila.
Pagsunog. Pero yun ngayon na sinasabi ko, yung tinitingnan nila kung baka meron pang mga ibang hindi nasunog, ganyan. And it turned out some of the areas na may nakita sila na Virgin Mary na hindi nasunog. Nandun
Mga statues.
Mga statues.